Welcome back to part 9 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. In part 9, I'm focused on mostly getting the engine running, putting everything back together, change all the gaskets and everything, and focus on the interior too. With the interior, I gotta weld the floors, carpet, insulation, speakers, radio, put everything back in, hopefully get everything done. Currently trying to get this dash out. Well, I got it mostly out. I just gotta take out the wires, label them, pull this out, clean it up, and I gotta do the wiring. Trying to get all the wiring situated. I gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 2 more over here. Those 2, this one, and then some other ones. I got most of the wiring done. This wire, these 3 right here, these 3, these 2 right here I did. Now that I got most of the wiring situated, I can start getting it cleaned up. All the dirt from in there, dirt back there. Basically get the dirt, dust, everything from all over the car. Have to fix these 2 holes. Well, this big hole, that hole, and one right there. Prepping the roof for hairliner and insulation. I cleaned this part. That house they gotta do. Clean all that. Clean everything. Install the insulation. Then I put hairliner in. Got the back part of the hairliner trimmed out. Now I gotta do the front of it. Got the dash pulled apart, so I go ahead and repaint this. Got a lot of these little extra pieces sanded, cleaned up. Just cut a hole in the dash so I can install a radio, aftermarket radio. Now that I got the radio in, I can install the speedometers back and the AC vent. I got most of the dash finished. Well, all of the dash finished. Got the AC vent back on. The speedometers back on. Got the hole cut. It's painted. Everything mostly done.
I gotta fight all these demons. Stay in the town when niggas be sleeping. Got so much pain, my heart steady beating. Find me the one, she done fit of the pieces. Love her to death, she never be leaving. All her money, I turned to a man. He was a father that I never.
Tired of the pain, in Miami where it rain. Why you acting like a chump? Why you trying to take my change? Why you been so mad at me? Cause I'm trying to make a change. Why do people hate so much? I should really be ashamed. Go against the rules in the game. When I go and paint this picture, you should put it in a frame.
I got a lot of interior done. I just ain't do the doors, that panel right there, this. But I'm gonna do this part. I gotta do the carpet first. I'm gonna make sure I got no leaks, cause I did the windshield. Make sure I got no leaks on the floor, no water coming in. Then I'm gonna do the carpet. Once I do the carpet, I'm gonna install this, fully install the speakers, and fully install this part. I got an oil leak, so I had to take everything, got back off, connect the hoist, raise it up far enough so I take all the bolts off of the oil pan and change that gasket. And once I change that gasket, I change this gasket, the water pump gasket, radiator hoses, and whatever else. Took the oil pan off so I could clean the area and put the new gasket on. It's leaking water and oil, so I'm gonna have to redo the gaskets again for the oil pan, and that took 2 days. Gotta get in the water pump. I do that in like a couple hours, but I might have to do both of those. Probably another 2 days of getting this to get it to run right. That's the end of part 9 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. In part 9, we got some of the interior done, rebuilt some of the engine, well, some of the engine gaskets, really. I still ain't do the first test drive yet because I got an oil leak and the water pump leak. I'm not doing all the interior in part 10 because I want to repaint the car. The bodywork is good, but I still slacked off in some areas. But the paint job was good, but the bodywork, I still got to do a little more bodywork. It's good, but it's probably an 8 out of 10. I want to be a 10 out of 10 or a 9.5 out of 10. So I'm going to do some more bodywork, repaint the whole car, then assemble everything. I'm gonna find out what's the issue for the engine in part 10. Also do all the wiring in part 10. Headlights, tail lights, any wiring I gotta do ain't gonna be in part 10. Plus the first test drive and some of the interior. I ain't finished the whole interior in part 10. Then once paint done, I'm gonna reassemble everything on the car. Front bumper, back bumper, exhaust, seats, everything, door panels, whatever I need. The car gonna be done real soon. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment, share it, repost it. We almost to the finish line. Just stay tuned.